Today, I'm reviewing Sliq, an AI-powered data cleaning tool for analytics teams in 2025, built to reduce the time spent preparing messy datasets before analysis. Sliq automatically cleans raw data by fixing common issues like formatting errors, missing values, typos, and schema mismatches, using context awareness to understand column roles and domain meaning rather than rigid rules. Its key differentiator is context-aware cleaning, where Sliq inspects datasets, infers data types, and generates a tailored cleaning plan that can handle real-world inconsistencies more effectively than rule-based scripts. The platform can be used through a web interface for ad hoc cleaning, or integrated into ETL and machine learning pipelines via a Python library or API, making it suitable for automated workflows. Early user feedback praises Sliq for reducing repetitive data preparation work and helping teams reach analysis-ready data faster, though some note it is still early stage and could improve pipeline transparency and export options. On the plus side, Sliq saves time, supports common formats like CSV, JSON, and Parquet, and offers a free tier for easy testing. On the downside, automated fixes still require human review for critical datasets, and advanced or niche workflows may be limited as the product matures. In summary, Sliq is a promising AI data cleaning solution in 2025 that streamlines pre-processing with context-aware automation, but it is best used with validation and oversight in professional analytics environments.